Brian Lofty with Brian Lofty Lawn Care, and in today's video we're going to be talking about this Craftsman tool set that I picked up last year at Lowe's for around 89 bucks when it was on sale. It's normally $119. The model number is CMMT12023. It's a pretty good tool set that I bought. It was on sale and I needed one for my other landscape truck I had. And set you up and we'll open it up and take a look. I've never used the tool set because it stayed in my extra landscape truck I had. It's got your 1/4 inch drive, your 3/8. It's got all of your extensions, spark plug sockets, some Allen wrenches, a screwdriver for your screwdriver bits. It's got all your sockets up to, I'm going to say 3/4. And the deep wells, 18mm in the metric, and then 7/8 in these sockets, and 22 in the short ones in the metric. It's got your swivel and your little adapter from the 3/8 to 1/4 if you just want to use a 3/8 ratchet, but you need a 1/4 inch socket. And in the 1/4 inch sockets goes up to a 1/2 inch. In the metric it goes up to 12. I think it's a real good socket set to keep in a truck, car, around your house, in your shed, to work on your lawnmowers or anything you decide to work on. Like I said, I got it when it was on sale for $89 at Lowe's. It's normally $119. It's still a good value for the name brand. Comes in this good carrying case. The latches, I wish they was metal, but they're plastic. It's got a full lifetime warranty. Here's the parts list that comes with it. Tells you everything that you have. All in all, I think it's a pretty good socket set to keep, to have around your house or in your truck, car, anything to have anytime you might need it. Well, that's the video for today, guys. Like and subscribe.